Hello guys, let's learn some colors and 2D shapes. This is brown color, dark green color, black color, olive green color. This is blue color, purple color, grey color, dark pink color, yellow color, light green color, light pink color, red color. This is black color. Let's draw the shape. Triangle. Pentagon. Pentagon. Heart. Star. Star. Semicircle. Circle. Red color. Triangle. 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 Red color. Green color. Pentagon. Pentagon. Green color. Purple color. Heart. 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 Purple color. Yellow color. Star. Star. Yellow color. Pink color. Semicircle. Semicircle. Pink color. Brown color. Circle. Circle. Brown color. Red color, green color, purple color, yellow color, pink color, brown color. Triangle, pentagon, heart, star, semicircle, circle. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.